Hello everybody, my name is Elliot and welcome back to Advective Weather. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the tropics as there is a tropical low in the Australian region that is posing a significant threat to land in the next couple days. So the JTWC designated this as Tropical Storm 18S on Saturday, and the Bureau of Meteorology is monitoring this as Tropical Low 23U as well. As of 18 o'clock UTC today, which is April 10th, 23U is located at 13.7 degrees south, 122.1 degrees east. Maximum 1-minute sustained winds are estimated at 50 knots per the Joint Typhoon Warning Center, while 10-minute sustained winds are estimated at 40 knots per the Bureau of Meteorology. Now, you may be wondering why this hasn't been named yet if it has gale force winds according to the Bureau of Meteorology, and this is because the Bureau of Meteorology requires that there be gales in at least 3 of the 4 quadrants for it to be named as a cyclone. So let's take a look at the setup for this storm. Shear is projected to decrease in the proximity of 23U and will allow for more marked strengthening starting in a day or so. A favorable jet interaction could allow for rapid to explosive intensification as 23U nears the coastline of Western Australia. Landfall as a very strong tropical cyclone is expected in 48 to 72 hours. Here's the 12Z JTWC forecast cone. As you can see, 23U is expected to gradually strengthen over the next 24 hours before strengthening at a more rapid pace on its approach to Australia. Landfall is expected to occur in the sparsely populated stretch of land between Port Hedland and Broome. This is good news since not many people live there. It's the western coast of Australia. It's mostly desert, so thankfully not a lot of people are going to be impacted by this storm. Hurricane force winds could persist well inland due to the flat terrain as well. From the JTWC forecast discussion, TC18S has struggled to consolidate due to the vertical wind shear. However, it does appear to be abating, and the system will finally be allowed to consolidate. And they are suggesting that it could reach a peak of 130 knots in between the forecast points, so this implies that we could be seeing a very strong landfall at or near Category 5 status if this forecast does verify. So let's take a look at the weather models now. On my screen at the moment I have the HWRF, which forecasts a peak just shy of Category 5 status, and the cyclone does make landfall along the Australian coastline as a Category 4. The GFS does remain very aggressive, bringing the cyclone to Category 5 equivalent strength, and making landfall a bit further west, slightly closer to Port Hedland. Here's the GFS solution. As you can see, it brings it down to 921 millibars, which is pretty typical of a low-end Category 5. As you can see, it also has some very high cloud tops on the simulated infrared, basically signaling that the thermodynamic environment that the storm is going to be in will be very favorable heading up to landfall. What can you do to prepare? Always follow official forecasts when making decisions. For 23U, the official agency for the area is the Bureau of Meteorology at bom.gov.au. For detailed information in your area regarding preparing for impacts or evacuation, always consult your local officials. They know your region the best, and they know how to prepare for the cyclone the best. So yeah, always consult them. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please click the subscribe button. Please click the like button. It helps us out a lot. And we also have a Discord server, so feel free to join that and chat with myself and the rest of our team. And always be the first to know when a new video comes out. So stay tuned. We're going to be making some more updates on this storm as it develops. And until next time,